Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. By tapping it once you can switch a hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its SSID. You can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set up one-time data limit. You can turn off hotspot automatically when nobody is connected. You can use it as USB tethering, as Bluetooth tethering, and you can also manage connected devices. You can set up limit of maximum connections, and you can also have a block list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.